Jai Hind. In today video lecture series, I will discuss Java Layout Managers, which is useful in AWT and Swing components. As we already know that AWT components and Swing components, we are creating so many components in AWT using AWT and Swing, like text box, radio button, check boxes, buttons, etc. are created. But if you want to create a button, like we will create some buttons B1, B2, B3 and apply on Swing. So these buttons, how we will show in these components? That's why we will discuss Java Layout Managers. Java Layout Managers are used to arrange components in a particular manner. That means so many components are created using AWT and Swing, and if you want to apply that components in AWT and Swing, their layouts, using their layouts, we will use layout managers. The Java Layout Managers facilitates us to control the positioning and size of the components in GUI forms, graphical user interface forms. Layout manager is an interface that is implemented by all the classes of layout managers. There are the following classes that represent the layout managers, such as java.awt border layout. These are available in AWT package, java.awt package. These classes such as border layout, flow layout, grid layout, card layout, grid bag layout, box layout, group layout, scroll panel layout, spring layout, etc. These are the classes which are represented in layout managers. These classes are available in AWT package. Now we will discuss one by one these layout classes. First, the border layout is used to arrange the components in 5 regions, such as if you want to create any AWT or Swing using Swing component or AWT, we have 5 kind of borders in a component. The border layout is used to arrange the components in 5 regions, such as top, bottom, north, south and center. We will discuss one by one in the next slide. First is north, south, east, west and center. Each region area may contain one component only. It is the default layout of frame or window. The border layout provides 5 constraints for each region. First is, these are integer type of variable: north, south, east, west, center, and already defined public, static and final. Next, some constructors used in border layout class. First is border layout constructor. Second is border layout with some parameters, like it provides the horizontal gap and vertical gap. First, border layout default constructor creates a border layout but with no gaps between the component. That means it will create the border layout without gap. If you want to provide gap, we will use parameterized constructor, border layout constructor with parameters, that is horizontal gap provide and next is vertical gap provide. Creates a border layout with the given horizontal and vertical gaps between the components. Example of border layout class using border layout constructor. Next, example of border layout. Here we can see that we will create one border class. In border class, we will create JFrame reference variable f, and using this class constructor, we will create the class of JFrame, and in JFrame we will create some buttons and provides button constructor its name: north, south, east, waist and center. Here we will create button using JButton class, and there are some buttons are created B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5, and we will assign their names using constructor, and we will set their layout, like button will add on north, button 2 will apply using south, button 3 east, button 4 west, button 5 center. These are add using add function method, and we will create the 303 size of frame and set visibility is true. When this class constructor will execute, object is created and a constructor of this class will execute, and this will show like this. It will, when here north will show, here south, west and east, and here center. So these buttons applied on in these 5 positions. So we can say that B1 will be placed in the north direction, B2 will be placed in the south direction, B3 will placed in the east direction, B4 will placed in west direction, B5 will placed in the center direction. This will help of border layout function. Next, Java grid layout. What is Java grid layout? The Java grid layout class is used to arrange the components in a rectangular grid. One component is displayed in each rectangle. Constructor of grid class. There are some constructors of grid class. First is grid layout, default using default constructor. Creates a grid layout with one column per component in a row. Next, grid layout with parameters. One parameter is provide rows in integer and second is provide in column. Creates a grid layout with the given rows and columns, but no gaps between the components. Next, grid layout with rows and columns and provide horizontal gap and vertical gap. This will create a grid layout with the given rows and columns along with given horizontal and vertical gaps. Example of grid layout class using grid layout constructor. The grid layout constructor creates only one row. The following example shows the usage of the parameterless constructor. Here we can see that example of grid layout example. Here we will use AWT package, JSwing package and create class grid layout example. And here we can see that frame class reference variable is created. When this class constructor will execute default constructor, that means parameterless constructor will execute. JFrame object will created, frame object. This will initialize by constructor and create some buttons in this class. That buttons name are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 using JButton class. And we will, and there are some more buttons 7, 8, 9. That means there are 9 buttons will created using JButtons. And these button we will apply on add function. We will add this button in our JFrame, and after that we will call set layout method and pass the new grid layout constructor. These buttons will automatically apply on this swing component. Here the output will be like this: button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5 and so on. Button 9 will display in using this example. Here we can see output of this grid layout example. Next we will discuss if you want to provide some gaps with horizontal gap and vertical gap, we will pass the values of parameterized grid layout constructor. Next, Java flow layout. The Java flow layout class is used to arrange the components in a line one after another in a flow. It is the default layout of the applet or panel. There are some fields of flow layout class. First is left, type of public, static, final, integer. These are integer type and static and final. Left, right, center, leading, trailing. Constructor of flow layout class. There are some constructors in flow layout class. One is parameterless constructor. Next is one parameterized constructor. Second is 3 parameters constructor. First we will discuss flow layout constructor. This creates a flow layout with centered alignment and default 5 unit horizontal and vertical gap. Next, flow layout integer align creates a flow layout with the given alignment and default 5 unit horizontal and vertical gap. Third is flow layout integer align, integer horizontal gap, integer vertical gap we will receive. In this constructor, it creates a flow layout with the given alignment and the given horizontal and vertical gap. Now we will discuss with example. Here we will create one class flow layout example. Here we will create JFrame object, and when this class constructor will execute, that means this class object will created, constructor will execute. When constructor will execute, these statements are executes top to bottom. Here we can say that JFrame object will created frame object, and here we will create some buttons 1 to 10 button using JButton class, and we will add these buttons on a frame using add function. Using add function we can add all buttons in a component, and here we will call set layout and constructor of this flow layout class, and we will set the size of frame and frame set visible equal to true. When this class constructor will execute, the following statement will execute top to bottom, and the flow of components will set using the flow layout constructor or class. Here we can see that all 10 button will show like this in one line. Here we can see that all buttons will show here in one line. Next, pass example of flow layout class using flow layout integer align constructor. Here we can see that pass flow layout dot right variable. We can say that pass left, right. If you want to change in our output, we can pass left, right with horizontal and vertical gap. Next example, Java box layout. When we want to show our components in box format, we will show box layout. The Java box layout class is used to arrange the components either vertically or horizontally. For this purpose, the box layout class provides 4 constraints. They are as follows. First is box layout container integer axis. That means we will pass this constructor container and integer type values. For example, we can see that here we will create 5 buttons using for loop. 5 buttons will created and add these buttons using add methods, and pass set layout new box layout. This box layout y axis will pass set 400. This will create 400 into 400 frame, and box layout constructor will execute. Object is created, then box layout constructor will execute, and when a constructor will execute, these lines will execute top to bottom. Next, Java card layout. The Java card layout class manages the components in such a manner that only one component is visible at a time. It treats each component as a card. That is why it is known as card layout. Constructor of card layout class, there are some constructor of card layout class. One is parameterless constructor card layout. It creates a card layout with 0 horizontal and vertical gap. Next, card layout with horizontal and vertical gap. It will receive two parameters, integer type. One is for horizontal gap, next is for vertical gap. It creates a card layout with the given horizontal and vertical gap. Commonly used methods of card layout class. There are few methods of card layout class. First is next, second is previous, first, last, and so, using some parameters. First, next method will is used to flip to the next card of the given container. Previous is used to flip to the previous card of the given container. First is used to flip to the first card of the given container. Last is used to flip to the last card of the given container, and so container is used to flip to the specified card with the given name. Java grid bag layout class. The Java grid layout class is used to align components vertically, horizontally, or along their baselines. Constructor of grid bag layout is default constructor, which is parameterless. The parameterless constructor is used to create a grid bag layout manager. Next, group layout. In group layout, groups its components and places then in a container hierarchically. The grouping is done by instance of the group class. Group is an abstract class, and two concrete classes which implement this group class are sequential group and parallel group. That means this group class is abstract, and using this abstract class, Java technology provides sequential group class and parallel group class. The group layout class provides methods such as create parallel group, create sequential group to create groups. That means if you want to create the group, we will use two methods. First is create parallel group, second is create sequential group method. Java Spring layout. A Spring layout arranges the children of its associated container according to a set of constraints. Constraints are nothing but horizontal and vertical distance between two components, as every constraint is represented by a Spring layout constraint object. In this Spring layout class, only one constructor is available, which is Spring layout constructor. This constructor is a default constructor of the class, is used to instantiate the Spring layout class. These classes are helpful to design our GUI application. These classes are helpful to GUI application. If you want to create any GUI based application using AWT or Swing, then we will use layout manager such as border layout, flow layout, grid layout, card layout, bag layout, box layout, group layout, scroll panel layout, Spring layout, etc. Thanks.